How can auditory learners memorize information? Imagine trying to remember a song without ever hearing it. For auditory learners, hearing is the key to unlocking their memory. These learners process information best when they listen and speak. So, how can they turn sound into a memory tool? First, listening to lectures or group discussions helps them grasp concepts quickly. Hearing information spoken aloud makes it stick better than just reading it silently. Repeating facts out loud is another powerful technique. Saying notes or ideas in their own words helps reinforce what they've learned. Recording lectures or their own voice reading notes allows them to listen repeatedly at their own pace. Creating songs, rhymes, or mnemonic phrases makes facts easier to recall because music and patterns are natural memory triggers for them. Teaching others aloud, even if it's just explaining to a pet or imaginary listener, helps organize thoughts and solidify understanding. Studying in quiet spaces or with noise-canceling headphones minimizes distractions, so they can focus on sounds that aid their memory. Listening to educational podcasts or audiobooks turns passive listening into active learning. Playing background music, especially familiar tunes, can create associations that help during tests. Practical tips include reading instructions aloud, spelling words out loud in different tones, or recording summaries on a mobile device for review. Study groups are also great because talking about material with others reinforces learning through social interaction. When they discuss and explain ideas verbally, it helps lock the information into their memory. Using sound-based methods like these taps into their natural learning style and makes memorization easier and more effective. By actively engaging with sound, auditory learners can remember facts, concepts, and details more confidently and with less stress.